Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by listing every sticker you still need and grouping them by rarity and source. This turns a vague goal into a concrete checklist. Once done, open your inventory and review trade history to spot duplicates you can move. Make sure to set a budget and preferred marketplaces so you avoid impulse buys, and enable any required account verification now so trades and purchases proceed without delay. Now focus on actual acquisition. Prioritize direct drops, event rewards, or guaranteed purchase paths before chasing high-cost listings. You should trade duplicates or low-value items to complete sets quickly. Propose fair offers and monitor accept/decline patterns. If the system supports crafting or bundles, convert excess materials into the specific stickers you're missing. While doing this, keep track of prices so you don't overpay, and stagger purchases to catch daily price dips. Finish by verifying each sticker against your original list to confirm full coverage and correct variations. Don't assume similar art equals the exact item. Once complete, lock or tag those stickers where possible so you won't trade them away by mistake. If a trade fails or a sticker won't appear, pause and document the issue. Contact support or use a trusted mediator. Provide screenshots and trade ID, and escalate only if initial responses take too long.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.